formation. The remaining jumpers are set up slightly high and above and outside of the formation, awaiting the team leader's call. Going through 9,000 feet, the team leader gives a thumbs up, signaling to the outside jumpers to fly to the base. And as they fly closer and closer together, they use their arms, legs, and shoulders as flight controls, allowing the jumpers to safely complete the mass formation. Ladies and gentlemen, the high-flying black and gold of your United States Army parachute team, the Golden Knights. North Carolina. At that time, the team consisted of 19 original members. Each was selected to assist in the development of modern parachuting techniques and to provide world-class competition parachutes and perform live aerial demonstrations in support of Army public relations and recruiting. In 1961, they were designated the Army's official demonstration unit, and 1 year later adopted the name, the Golden Knights. Both moving at some 300 miles an hour. That's a 600-mile-an-hour closure.
And inbound are skydiving jive
for the oppositional. Well, as our team clears to the right, our diamond formation, that's Trojan Thunder 1 through 4. We're about to see our solo.
Aircraft that can carry up to 78 combat troops. 78 guys over there. It's used for a wide range of missions, including troop transport, tactical airlift, search and rescue, and air-to-air refueling, as well as aircraft.
This aircraft, this B-52 bomber. Its length of service makes this aircraft the most significant plane of the Air Force's history.